Hi, my name is Brennan with Apache SafeSpace Solutions, and this is the AIRrow 2000. The AIRrow 2000 air treatment system utilizes a two-stage high-efficiency particulate air filter and purification process followed by UVC light treatment. This advanced system is designed to pull air away from breathing levels to the floor into the filtration and treatment system, which eradicates particles and decontaminates the air in large rooms and spaces. While putting on the setting of 1 on the control knob, the AIRrow 2000 can cycle 175 cubic feet of air per minute, perfect for use in office spaces and homes. Safe for use around people, pets, and plants. Designed to run for hours for continuous air cycling. The filters inside the AIRrow 2000 are an outable washable nylon mesh filter, an inner second pleated media filter that captures smaller particulates such as dirt and debris, an activated carbon filter, and then a 2-inch thick high-efficiency particulate air HEPA filter captures 99.7% of airborne particles. To learn more, visit ApacheSafeSpaceSolutions.com.